In the Space Lab Life Sciences 2, led by Paul X. Callahan, 14 male rats were sent to space. The red blood cell mass in milliliters of the rats was determined when they returned. A control group of 14 male rats was held under the same conditions, except for spaceflight, as the space rats, and their red blood cell mass was also measured when the space rats returned. The data are in Table 18. Construct side-by-side box plots for red blood cell mass for the flight group and control group. Does it appear that spaceflight affected the rat's red blood cell mass? Let's type our data into StatCrunch. Type in your data. You can choose to rename the columns to flight and control. Now go to Graph, Box Plot. Then you will select both columns, flight and control. Then you want to draw the boxes horizontally, so select this option and press Compute. And these are the box plots for the data. Now let's answer the question. Does it appear that space flight affected the rat's red blood cell mass? We are asked to compare the two data sets, so what we need to do is we need to look at the median for the control group and the flight group. The median for the flight group is lower than the median for the control group. So because the median of the flight group is less than the median of the control group, we would say that yes, that the space flight did affect the rat's red blood cell mass. The problem did not ask us to compare the spread or the dispersion of the two data sets, but we can go ahead and compare the two. We compare dispersion or the spread of a data set when using box plots by looking at the width of the box. This is equivalent to the IQR or the interquartile range. The lengths of the boxes are about the same, so we would say that the spread for both groups appears to be similar.